Today is going to be about problem solving. Oh, there's some problems, all right. And they're all self-induced. I overpacked. And I bought a new suitcase before. I don't know if I like the new suitcase. You know, it's buckle as opposed to zipper. My zipper was, don't ask. Anyway, so here's how I want to fix the problem. I want to go buy a cheap disposable giant suitcase to put everything in and just stop the fighting. So anyway, what, 20 or 30 euro? I can fix this problem. Just get a giant suitcase. My suitcase broke. I have to get home. I used to have a friend of mine back in the day that would yell at me about fixing my problems. Just fix it. Just fix it. Don't talk about it. Don't complain about it. Don't take a poll about it. Just fix it. If it costs money, fix it. If you have to budget somewhere else, fix it. If you have to do it out, fix it. If you have to work longer, just fix it. Fix it and move on. Because there's going to be another problem. The option is, well, you let them all pile up. Then you live in chaos. Just fix it. So, he's right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm in. Thank you. All right, we are home temporarily because I saw something. There's a road back here that all these local children, they set up shop and they're selling, you know, tchotchkes, shells. But I have all this European change that I am not bringing home with me. So my idea is, let's go shopping with those children. Are you ready? So here's the road. But here's the path. If you take the path, children stop you and they're selling, I mean, anything. Paper clips and seashells and whatever. So I've passed them every time. What do you got? How much for that one?
This one.
Huh?
One.
One?
Euro.
Oh, yeah. Here.
No. Thank you.
What do you got?
One.
Huh? Let me see what I got for you. Okay, tell you what. This is what I need. I want that. Okay, but look. You can have that. Is that a good deal? I want that. Oh, that's a good one.
Well, it's good.
That's a good one. Okay. I know. Okay. Well, if I want that one there, how much? 2?
250. 250.
I got 2. All I got is 2.
Okay, 2 euros.
Bought something from all of them. I think I need a crepe. Crepe, Nutella, banana.
Where are you from? US?
Uh-huh.
US?
Florida. What? My friend, that's art. Art. What is going on? Thank God tonight's the last night, because I could be up to a 2-a-day habit. Yeah, thank you.